Clay masks are amazing for clearing pores and absorbing oil, but are they safe to use every day? The short answer, no. We'll show you how to use them effectively, following HYSSES official directions, so you get results without overdrying. Welcome back to HYSSES. Today we're answering, are clay masks safe for daily use? We'll cover what clays do, the safe recommended frequency, and how to fit masks into a natural routine. Clay masks like our Charcoal Volcanic Mask Tree Hinoki and Pink Clay Mask Frankincense Patchouli absorb excess oil and draw out impurities. Charcoal Volcanic Mask, activated charcoal, kaolin, and bentonite with tea tree and hinoki to deeply purify congested, oily areas. Pink Clay Mask, elite kaolin and bentonite with frankincense and patchouli to gently refine, soothe, and brighten. Ideal for combination, mature or sensitive skin. Directions for both masks. Apply generously and evenly over cleansed face, avoiding the eye and lip area. Leave on 10 to 15 minutes or until dry, then rinse thoroughly with water. Apply facial moisturizer to lock in moisture. Recommended usage for both masks, once every 2 weeks. Because clays are highly absorbent, daily use risks over-removing sebum and disrupting the skin barrier, especially for dry or sensitive types. Following HYSSES frequency of once every 2 weeks keeps results while avoiding irritation. Best timing, evening, after cleansing. Post-mask, always hydrate. Use your facial cream or rosehip cold-pressed beauty oil if skin is dry. Between mask days, manage pores, oil with daily care like micellar cleansing toner, frankincense patchouli with niacinamide and salicylic acid. Oily or congested T-zone, use Charcoal Volcanic Mask with tea tree and hinoki. Combination, mature or sensitive skin, use Pink Clay Mask with frankincense and patchouli. Clay masks aren't for daily use. Follow HYSSES directions, apply for 10 to 15 minutes and use once every 2 weeks, then moisturize. Choose charcoal for deep detox and pink clay for gentle brightening and soothing. Explore more at sg.hysses.com.